Inside the Ryder Center, you will find O'Neill Arena, which is home to Cardinal basketball. Other facilities connected to the Ryder Center is the Hamilton Gymnasium, where our varsity volleyball players dominate on the court. George Stacker Regional Aquatic Center, used for both the swim team and open swim hours, and indoor golf practice space with high-tech simulators, and the Field House, which hosts one of only 300-meter indoor tracks in the state. The Ryder Center hosts many regional and state school sports competitions, and it is also the host site for the annual First Robotics State Championships in April, which draws thousands of high school students and spectators to our campus. The facility is also used by the community for arts and crafts, boats, and home improvement shows. Walk the halls and you'll see some of our greatest athletes on display, a sign of our school's fierce red pride. The Ryder Center is used by students, staff, faculty, and the community. And it is worth noting that on game day, there is no better fan base than the Cardinals. We cheer on our athletes like nobody else.